Hello Year 2s, today we're going to be doing an experiment. It's a sinking or floating experiment. You're going to need a bowl or a bucket of water, and you'll need to prepare a tray with 15 different items on it. Try and choose things around your house that are made of different materials. I've got an apple, a candle, a rock, a key, a pine cone, just to name a few of the things. We won't have the same things, but there are a few ideas for you. Now, these are the things we're going to test. But first, I'd like you to make a prediction. You'll have a worksheet like this on Google Classroom, so you can use that one or you can create your own. In the first column, you need to write the items you've collected. Try and get 15 altogether. In the second column, this is for your prediction. Now, a prediction is a good guess of what you think will happen before you actually try it. So you're going to have a think, do you think it will sink or float? And that's what you will write in here. Then here's the actual test. This column's where you will write what happened. This will be your data. Did it sink or did it float? And then finally, the last column says, was I correct? So I want to know if your prediction was correct or not. I'm going to show you how to do one. I'm going to have a go at apple. So I've written apple as my first item. I'm going to make my prediction now. Do I think it will sink or float? I'm going to go for, I think it will float. So I'm going to write an F for float. Now I'm going to put it in. This is the real test. I wonder if I was correct. There you go. So the apple is floating. Brilliant. So I was correct. And in the test column here, next to apple, I'm going to write F for float. And that means, was I correct? Yes, I was. My prediction was correct. Now, don't worry if your prediction wasn't correct. It's just fun to try and guess what you think will happen beforehand. So sometimes your prediction might be different to the actual test. So have a go, collect 15 things, fill in your Google Doc form or make one yourself and send me a photo. I hope you enjoy it, have some fun. Thank you, Year 2s. Goodbye.